We're at June Jules Falls, about to go on a 45-minute hike up the falls and take a few second jump down the falls. We're excited.
Guys, so we are headed down the steps now to the beach at the bottom of Dunes River Falls. And you guys can see it is beautiful scenery all around, especially that lady right there. We are going to hop down and enjoy. Alright guys, so we are going to hike up Dunes River Falls with no guide. They say, hey, it's recommended that you have one. It's okay to have one, but it's not required. So we are going to go ahead and make this trek. We got Wendell, Tiffany behind us, the wife's right here. Danisha's already gone up, guys, so I'm gonna bring you along as we take this trek. This is a whole lot better because there's no sand right here. My water shoes right now are full of sand. He should have been rebellious coming up. We are at the falls, y'all. Doing this with two guys that we found. I think these gentlemen were expected to be tour guides today, but definitely appreciate them helping out. So we're getting ready to climb up right here, go all the way to the top, and then we'll be done. It's been a awesome trek so far. Going forward. Okay, so after Dunes River Falls, we decided to ask the driver where we could get some authentic Jamaican food, and he recommended the Ultimate Jerk Shack. This was a spot where we passed by going to Dunes River Falls, so it was easy to go ahead and stop off right there for a quick lunch. As you can see right here, there is a menu from jerk chicken, pork, and rabbit, fish, different types of sides, and things of that nature. And you can see what I have here. And a little rum punch, and as you can see, it was absolutely delicious. After dinner, myself and Wendell decided to go and play a game of pool while we got ready for the evening's festivities, which was going to be a live performance. As you guys can see, I don't own the rights or anything to these songs, but these young singers did an absolutely phenomenal job with the show. I mean, they were, singing, they were moving the crowd, guys, and it was absolutely a great evening. And this was all done before, I want to say 10:30, maybe 11 o'clock or so, because once that happens, the DJ is setting up behind me where I'm recording at, and it turns into a DJ fest as far as after that. So it was definitely great to watch these young ladies sing on stage. Great vibes. Had a drink or two as far as there, and then we got ready to party with the DJ. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you enjoy family fun, travel, cruise vlogs, and so much more. Once again, thank you very much, and have a good one.